Hi friends, this video shows how to enable SimpLink in Google TV for LG device. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to display and sound, select HDMI CEC. See, right now HDMI CEC has been disabled. Let me enable. Done. So this way we can enable HDMI CEC or SimpLink on Google TV. After enabling this option, we can connect LG device to this TV via HDMI cable. Then we would be able to control both LG device and this Google TV with a single remote controller. That is a feature. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.